1988 Chevy Monte Carlo SS. The last year for the rear-wheel drive GMG body. She has the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Paint is in good condition. The 88 model Monte Carlo SS is second in rarity as far as production numbers behind the 1983 Monte Carlo SS. And that's excluding the Aero Coupes, of course. A little over 16,000 were produced in 88. Driver's side frame and floor pan. Passenger side. Deck lid is in good shape. As y'all can see, she's nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is in good shape. She has power windows, power locks, rally gauges, bucket seats, console. Mileage reads a little over 53,000. Upper dash. lower. Back seat in good condition. Package tray. Headliner good. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the stock 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 4-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, and she is an AC car. She just needs the lines and the compressor added. She has smog delete, upgraded HEI ignition. If you're looking for a G-Body Monte Carlo SS, this is the one. Let's start her up. She fired right up. All the contact information in the description below. She's running nice and smooth. Go check out rollermuseums.com. It'll show you all our current inventory and pricing. Got over 100 detailed photos. Financing available. Y'all have a good one.